Yeah, hello everyone. Clinton here, and welcome to the channel. So, if you're joining us for the first time, I really do appreciate you guys, and I'm here to say you are all welcome to the channel. So, for you guys coming over here, searching for one or two ways to be able to get your mobile device as a webcam. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about all the process and everything you'll be needing to carry out this action. So, first thing I'll have to tell you guys now is that all you'll be needing is just your mobile phone and a couple of softwares that you download, which is not a large file actually. Okay guys, so what you'll be needing is your mobile phone, a a mobile phone stand if you have one. For me, I'm just going to be making use of this uh table stand. Like I can actually like mount my phone on top here while I do what I do. Okay, so excuse me. So what you're gonna need is the software. I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. Okay, let's go into this tutorial now. So we're gonna go into our web browser, and I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. So guys, this is what this is the website to the software we're gonna be needing here. It's called the Virual. So when you go over here, you can actually just download the website for your Windows, and you can also go over and download it to your Mac or your Ubuntu Linux. Okay, so once you're done with that, you should also go over to your mobile phone. And once you're in your mobile phone, you have to go over to, if you're using an iPhone like I am right now, all you have to do is just go over and search for the app. Okay, Virual. So just in case, this is what the app is gonna look like. This is what the app is gonna actually look like. I don't know if this can actually you can actually see this from here, but this is what it looks like. Okay, once you've done downloading that on your mobile phone, your Android phone or your iPhone, you're gonna get this app. It's available for both users. So all you have to do right now is get your desktop app, get your mobile app. So the next step you're going to take right now is just to open up your your Zoom. So we're going to just go ahead and open up the Zoom right now, and I'm just going to minimize this. So right now here is our Zoom, and I'm just going to tell you guys one very good tip on how to go about this. Make sure that your mobile phone and your laptop or your computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, because if it's not connected, you will keep on getting errors. And mind you, if you're on a LAN cable, try to disconnect the LAN cable and connect your system using the Wi-Fi. Okay guys, so once I'm done downloading the app on both of my devices and I installed it already. So what I'm gonna just do is just as you can see, this is the Virual on my system here now, and all I'm just gonna do right now is just to open my Zoom meeting, and I can just go ahead and just create new meeting. And once I create new meeting, it's gonna try to connect. And once I get this interface, I'm just gonna minimize this whole thing, and I'm gonna go over to the software, and I'm gonna open it up. And once I open it up, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the one on my phone. As you can see, this is what it's gonna look like this. Okay guys, it's open already. Like it doesn't take time. Once I open it, it automatically gives a signal that okay, there's a mobile phone here that's sharing the same network. Okay guys, I'm just gonna put this on my mobile phone stand here. Okay guys, so this is just gonna be here for a while, and I'm gonna show you guys a few settings that you should do when you connect this. You have to go over to this part and you click it, you press this breakdown here, and you're just gonna choose any good setting that's gonna be suitable for what you're trying to do. For me, I'm just gonna leave it on 4K, and I can just actually minimize this. And coming back to our Zoom, just gonna go into the Zoom. Okay, I'm just gonna expand this. Okay, so guys, just in case yours didn't connect automatically, you can actually just come over to this pop-up option here and just make sure you choose your viewing webcam. So that's how it's done. And I'm going to show you guys one option that you should also be including. You can go over to the video settings and when you click on the video settings, you should leave this on HD. Check this box that says HD. It's really important because it's going to give you the best quality, because why not? If you have access to that, then of course you should use it. And you can go over to this part and you can input your microphone and you can test up your microphone. And if you're using an AirPod, you can just actually connect your AirPod to as your speaker. So you can also connect your AirPods as a mic using your Bluetooth on your device. So guys, that's just everything about this Bluetooth tutorial here. So guys, if you find this video really helpful, I'm just gonna go ahead now and just end this. I'm just gonna go ahead now and end this meeting also and close this up. Okay guys, so guys, if you find this video really helpful, just really short and brief, you can actually just go ahead and just drop a comment in the comment section. Give the video a like if you feel that okay, this solved your problem, and you can also give the video a dislike if ever the video didn't help you in any ways. Drop a comment if you really need assistance on any other thing, and see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Consider subscribing to the channel because it's free and it helps the channel to grow. So see you guys in the next one, or peace out.